Whereas in Regis Applied Science and Research Cohort, where students explore real STEM fields and prepare for university. We invite guest speakers from different STEM fields.
We organize tutoring sessions in order to help our school community.
We host hands-on field trips to experience science in action.
Whether you're a future scientist or just curious, there is always a place in our cohort. Join us.